Welcome to Movement Snacks. Small habits, big impact on your life. We will be discussing short bursts of intentional movement woven into everyday life that require no gym. This program is brought to you by the Series of Thoughts team as part of the Longevity series, Living a Long and Active Life.
We are facing a sedentary epidemic. Technology has quietly engineered physical activity out of daily life, leading to preventable health issues. This is why incorporating movement snacks is important. The all-or-nothing workout trap often leads to burnout and abandoned memberships. Rigid routines collapse when life gets busy, killing long-term consistency. We need a new approach. Exhausting all-or-nothing regimens are giving way to a more human and sustainable approach. This is the difference between the old way of straining ourselves and the new way of weaving movement into our day. Movement snacks are short, intentional bursts of 1 to 10 minutes, woven into your day and requiring no gear. They offer a gentler, more sustainable alternative to formal exercise regimens. The science supports movement snacks. They lower blood pressure, improve cardiovascular health, and reduce the risk of CV death and cancer, even in non-exercisers. Chapter 1 focuses on morning mobility, setting the tone. A 3-minute coffee ritual, like chair squats and shoulder rolls, wakes up the body, boosts circulation, and sets a positive tone for the entire day. The first movement of the day primes your nervous system, elevates your mood, and signals to your body that it's time to thrive. This energizes your mornings and sets you up for success. Prolonged sitting causes the desk slump, leading to tight hips, hunched shoulders, reduced circulation, and mental fog. Quick, targeted movements at your workstation can counteract these sedentary effects. Desk movement snack examples lasting 2 to 6 minutes include chair squats for full activation, shoulder rolls to release upper back tension, and torso twists to mobilize the spine and core. Your desk doesn't have to be a trap. With just 2 to 6 minutes of intentional movement, you can reclaim your workspace and transform it into a place of energy and focus. Midday movement is the perfect opportunity to recharge your energy, preventing the dreaded afternoon slump. A 4-minute hallway walk or brisk loop around the block boosts mental sharpness and improves focus. Afternoon refreshers include stair climbing to elevate your heart rate fast, walking lunges to activate your hips and glutes, and arm circles to loosen tight shoulders instantly. A brisk walk in natural light is one of the most powerful midday resets available. It helps you beat the afternoon slump with no supplements, no caffeine, and no cost. Evening wind down prepares you for rest. Gentle movement releases accumulated tension, promoting deeper, higher quality sleep, reducing stress, and improving flexibility over time. Evening mobility ideas lasting 2 to 5 minutes include gentle stretches, deep breathing, and a short, calm walk around the house or block. Evening movement is about giving your body permission to slow down, release, and prepare for deep, restorative rest. It's not about burning calories. Habit stacking makes movement stick. Attach movement snacks to habits you already do every day, like before your morning coffee or after brushing your teeth. People using this are 3 times more likely to maintain movement snacks long-term. Focus on consistency over intensity. Daily micro-movement offers cardiovascular benefits, triggers cellular self-cleaning through autophagy, and boosts productivity and mental clarity. Every movement snack is a deposit into your long-term health account. The returns compound quietly, powerfully, and over a lifetime. Movement snacks offer a mental boost. They create pockets of mindfulness, acting as natural resets that sharpen focus and restore perspective. Even a single mindful minute can shift your mental state. Movement snacks win over traditional exercise on accessibility and adherence. The best exercise is the one you actually do consistently. Snacks fill the gaps and build the habit of daily movement. We are seeing a cultural shift in wellness. The gym era led to burnout. Now the movement snack is rising, and the future is sustainable, habit-based wellness. The future of fitness is small. Small habits perform consistently, add years to your life and life to your years. This is a fundamental, lasting shift in how we approach well-being. To start your journey, first, identify 3 existing daily habits to pair with a movement snack. Second, commit to trying it for 1 week. Finally, transform through consistent steps, leading to lasting change.